Hi students, today we are going to see about measures of central tendency in Business Statistics 1, which is in third semester of your study. I am Dr. Syed Shakir Razvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Corporate Secretaryship in the new college. First we will see what is central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. As such, measures of central tendency are sometimes called measures of central location. Central tendency means identifying the central position, that is the average value of the data given. There are three types of data. One is individual series, number two discrete series, and the last one is continuous series. Individual series means we have only one set of variable, that is x variable, that is also known as raw data. When we have the raw data in a smaller values, we can use this set of method. And discrete data, we have converted the raw data into a frequency table. In this, we have the x variable as well as frequency. When we have huge values, number of variables have been increased. At that time, we will convert the raw data into a continuous series. We will see the example in the coming videos. Now we will come to the types of central tendency. Number one is mean, arithmetic mean, median, and mode. In arithmetic mean, we have three methods: geometric mean, harmonic mean, and weighted mean. First, we will see arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean of a set of observed data is defined as being equal to the sum of the numerical values of each and every observation divided by the total number of observations. That is, we will add all the variables and we will divide by number of observations. That is arithmetic mean in simple forms. For individual series and for discrete and for continuous series, we have two methods. One is known as direct method and another one is shortcut method. First we will see about individual series. Direct method is x bar is equal to sigma x by n, where x is equal to sigma x is equal to sum of variables, n is equal to number of observations. In shortcut method, arithmetic mean is equal to a plus sigma d by n, where a means assumed value. We will assume any value from the given set of data, and d means x minus a. For discrete series, arithmetic mean is equal to sigma fx by n, where f is the frequency and x is the variables. Here n represents sum of frequencies. In individual series, n represents sum of observations, number of observations. The shortcut method for discrete series is a plus sigma fd by n. Similar as individual series, a is known as assumed value and d is equal to assume x minus a. Continuous series, sigma fm divided by n, where f is the frequency value and m is the midpoint of x variable. This we will see in detail while we see the sums in continuous series. And n is the sum of frequencies, similar like discrete series. Shortcut method for continuous series is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd by n into I. A is assumed value, d is equal to x minus a, and y is the common difference of x variable. We will see an example for individual series. In this sum, they have given the income of 10 families, that is 4,600, 5,560, 6,440, 4,530, and goes on. They asked us to calculate arithmetic mean. First we will solve the sum using direct method. Here only a raw data of 10 variables has been given. For that, first add all the 10 variables, that is 4,600 plus 5,560 plus 6,440 till 6,800 divided by number of variables. If you count that, we have 10 variables: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First add all these values 4600 plus 5560 plus 6440, like this. Add all the variables. If we add that, we will get 62,600 divided by number of variables 10. That gives annual income of a family is 6260. Same sum we will try to solve using shortcut method. Here the formula is x is equal to a plus sigma d by n, where a is the assumed value. In the given set of data, we are assuming 6750 as the assumed value. Now we will calculate d. Already I have said d is equal to x minus a. In first variable, x is 4600. d is equal to 4600 minus 6750, that gives you minus 2150. Similarly, second variable is 5560. X minus 5560, that gives you minus 1190. Third variable 6400. 6400 minus 6750, that gives you 310. Similarly, calculate for all the variables. After calculating, add this d value, that gives you sigma d, that is minus 4900. Now substitute the values in the formula. X bar is equal to a. We have already assumed 6750. What value we have assumed previously, that value we have to write here, plus sigma d. Sigma d is minus 4900, so I am writing inside the brackets, divided by number of observations 10. Now substitute the values. 6750 minus 4900 by 10, that gives you 490, and here we have the minus sign. Plus into minus, that gives you minus. 6750 minus 490, that gives you 6260. In direct method also we got the same answer. Either you calculate using direct method or indirect method, you will get the value as same. In exams, you have to perform based on the method they have prescribed. If they indicate any specific method, you have to solve only using shortcut method or direct method. At that time, you have to use only those methods. Otherwise, you can use any of your choice. Thank you.